Okay, what's good, YouTube? I got some good news today. I got a letter in the mail, and I issued an appeal back last year after I got found guilty of a traffic citation. I was going through a small town called Fredonia. So what happened was an officer pulled me over, accused me of speeding. I went to court for it, and I asked to see his radar gun certification. I asked to see his when's the last time he had his radar gun calibrated, his paperwork and all that. And he said he calibrates his radar gun every day before his shift, but he said that he doesn't have his radar gun certification on him, but he is a radar gun certification instructor. And he claimed to be an officer for 19 years in Arizona. And I asked him, I said, okay, so you've been an officer for 19 years in Arizona, but you forgot to bring your radar gun certification to court. He said, yes, sir. And then also I asked him, when's the last time he got checked out by a radar gun technician? He also said within the last year or so. Now, the law is in most states that an officer must calibrate his radar gun to prove that it's functioning properly before use. Also, he must have a radar gun certification. And then also he must get it checked out by a radar gun technician within every year. So I got a letter and I want to read it to you guys. Whereas the Fredonia Municipal Court received from the Superior Court of Appeals the finding that the trials court determination of responsible was not supported by substantial evidence, it is ordered based on the reasons stated above, vacating the trials court judgment of responsibility and the sanction imposed. It is further ordered that this case be dismissed. So I won the appeal, and appeals are very hard to win. They are very rarely to win. I am the first man in Fredonia court to win an appeal. And like I said, I got found guilty, but I issued the appeal. I did the paperwork. It's a lot of paperwork. And a judge from a superior court overturned it. And they also written me a check. I'm gonna go ahead and cover up my name and my address. They written me a check for the ticket that I received. So there's a lot, you know, there is a lot when it comes to trying to fight traffic citations. And most commonly, to not get a traffic citation, just don't speed. Don't do anything that's going to attract the police or anything. That's the most common. But if you do get pulled over and you go to court, you can ask some certain questions. Go ahead, ask questions, okay? That's your constitutional right, is to defend yourself in a courtroom, okay? So you truck drivers, sorry about that. You truck drivers, especially you CDL truck drivers, you guys take care, all right? You guys be safe out there, and shalom.